Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to Fit Resize Video Clip in iMovie app on iPhone. First of all, open your iMovie app, tap on Movie, and select a video which you want to resize. Tap on Create Movie, and tap on the timeline. Tap on this magnifying glass icon. Zoom your video by pinching the timeline. To make the video's dimension smaller, pinch towards the center of the screen, and to enlarge the video, drag your fingers to the outer edge of your screen, and that's how you can do it. And once it's done, tap on to the top left corner, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.